Hello. Robots Everywhere has just released the 1-inch punch Smart Bus controller, available on our site and Amazon right now. This controller works on a shared bus principle, with each controller having a unique address. Each module can control one motor or stepper, up to 2 limit switches, a serial input-output, and a multi-function port for a servo or PWM output, or a PWM or analog sensor input. This module has a 16 MHz microcontroller on board for control logic. Here's an example of the 1-inch punch at work. You can see the 3-pin serial bus with one module connected with a motor and an LED. It is addressed AA. Now we connect a second 1-inch punch addressed AB with a servo. Finally, we connect a third one with a photoresistor, which is an analog sensor, addressed AC. Now we have a very simple solar panel controller. The motor rotates the panel, the servo adjusts its angle, and the photoresistor allows the controller to determine the effectiveness of the panel's position. Now, let's add the sun to the equation and turn the system on to see how it works. This is just one example of solar panel control logic. The control logic in module AC gets a value from the photoresistor and sends a command to AA to adjust the motor. Note how all the modules on the bus receive the command. After AA moves the motor, which lights the LED to indicate motor activity, AC reads the sensor again and sends a command to AB to adjust the servo. After waiting a specified delay for the servo motion, AB will send a command back to AC as an "I'm done" signal. The servo and motor will now wait for the next cycle of adjustment and turn off. I hope you now have a better understanding of how the 1-inch punch controller interfaces along a serial bus. Take a look at our website for more information and to order, and follow us on social media for more interesting inventions and products and further content.